You have two options for hooking up the Optimyst cassette, the Plumb kit and the refillable containers. The Plumb kit hooks up to a water line and supplies the cassette with an endless supply of water. The Plumb kit comes with plastic tubing to connect to your water line, a piercing valve to tie into a standard copper water line, and the user's guide. To connect the plastic tubing to the Optimyst cassette, go to the ball valve fitting on the back of the unit and remove the red C-clip. Now you can insert the plastic tubing into the white valve. Be sure it's inserted all the way, then reattach the red C-clip to the valve to secure the connection. The blue tubing should be cut to length and will attach to the closest cold water line. Remove the white connector at the end. The end of the hose attaches to the piercing valve. Unscrew the bolt on the valve and insert the copper piece into the end of the tube. Push the bolt over the tube and put the copper collar around the hose inside the bolt, then attach the bolt to the piercing valve. The valve will then be secured around a copper cold water line. Before you do this, be sure to shut off the main water supply and flush the lines to prevent any debris from getting into the unit. First, place the curved spacer under the pipe. Slide the clamp into place over the spacer. Tighten the clamp until the assembly is snug. Next, you'll tighten the piercing screw until it is fully threaded in. Once it is threaded in, you will need to reverse it out. Remove the top cover assemblies of the cassette and prime each of the water reservoirs by filling with water to the lines shown inside the unit. Replace the top cover assemblies and ensure the two plumbing caps are securely attached to the top cover of the water reservoirs. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Optimyst Pro series.